Hello everybody, welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 6, let's get started. Number 1, adventurous. It means willing to take risks or try new things. Here are 2 examples. 1, she is adventurous and loves traveling to unknown places. 2, he felt adventurous and tried skydiving for the first time. Number 2, affectionate. It means showing love or care. Here are 2 examples. 1, the dog was very affectionate toward its owner. 2, she gave her friend an affectionate hug. Number 3, ambivalent. It means having mixed feelings about something. Here are 2 examples. 1, he was ambivalent about moving to a new city. 2, she felt ambivalent about taking the job offer. Number 4, charming. It means pleasant and attractive. Here are 2 examples. 1, he has a charming smile that wins people over. 2, the charming host made everyone feel welcome. Number 5, demanding. It means requiring a lot of effort or attention. Here are 2 examples. 1, the course was very demanding but rewarding. 2, her boss is demanding and expects perfection. Number 6, exquisite. It means extremely beautiful or delicate. Here are 2 examples. 1, the painting was absolutely exquisite. 2, she wore an exquisite dress to the gala. Number 7, fickle. It means changing opinions or feelings frequently. Here are 2 examples. 1, he is so fickle, he can't decide on anything. 2, the weather here is fickle. It changes every hour. Number 8, generative. It means able to produce or create something. Here are 2 examples. 1, the workshop was highly generative and sparked new ideas. 2, she has a generative mind that comes up with many solutions. Number 9, meticulous. It means showing great attention to detail. Here are 2 examples. 1, the artist was meticulous in painting every detail. 2, she planned the event with meticulous care. Number 10, vigorous. It means strong, healthy, and full of energy. Here are 2 examples. 1, he enjoys vigorous exercise every morning. 2, the team made a vigorous effort to win the match. Now, let's do a quick recap. Adventurous, affectionate, ambivalent, charming, demanding, exquisite, fickle, generative, meticulous, and vigorous. Okay, which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.